Okay, so I thought I would work through a couple examples of blood typing donation and which type of blood can donate blood to which type of blood, and also receive blood. So let's go ahead, let's start with an example, and let's start with A positive blood. So let's say that we had A positive blood and that this blood is going to be our donor. Okay, so what we know about A positive blood is that A positive blood has A antigens on the red blood cell. It also, because this positive sign here, it's positive for the Rh antigen as well. So it's also going to have Rh antigen. So type A plus or A positive blood has anti-B antibodies because it's going to have antibodies that are opposite from the antigen that are present in its own blood. Okay, so is type A positive blood able to donate to type B blood? Let's just talk in general. Let's just say B blood. Okay, so what do we know about type B blood? B has B antigens on the red blood cell, and it's going to have anti-A antibodies circulating in the plasma. Okay, so when we donate, so this type B blood would make it the recipient blood, and the recipient's antibodies are what's going to react to the donor's antigens. Okay, so in this case we have anti-A antibodies that are going to potentially react to the A antigen that are on the red blood cell, and they do react. So that does not work. Type A positive blood or any A blood cannot donate to type B blood. So we say no. Can type A blood donate to type A blood? Okay, so yeah, we think at this point we've got A antigen on our red blood cells. We've got anti-B antibodies present. So these anti-B antibodies are not going to react with the A antigen on our type A donor blood. So this would be a yes, but we also have to figure out, okay, can type A positive blood donate to A positive? So this blood would have the Rh factor on the red blood cell as well, and we think yes, it does, because it does not have antibodies against the Rh factor on the donor blood. But what happens when we have A negative blood? Okay, so A negative blood is going to have A antigen on the red blood cell. It's going to have anti-B antibodies. And we need to assume that it also has anti-Rh antibodies. Okay, because once it's exposed to blood with the Rh factor, it's going to develop those antibodies and create a reaction. So type A positive blood cannot donate to A negative blood because of these anti-Rh antibodies. They're going to react with the Rh factor here. So this is a no. What about type AB blood? Can A positive blood donate to generally AB blood? So what does AB blood look like? So AB blood has A and B antigens on the red blood cell and no antibodies circulating in the plasma. Okay, so when we donate blood here going this way, there are no antibodies in type AB blood to react to the antigens on this donor blood. So this is a yes. Okay, A blood can donate to AB blood, and specifically it's a yes for AB positive. It's a no for AB negative. Positive blood cannot donate to negative blood for this reason up here. We talked about it here. negative blood, AB negative blood, would have anti-RH antibodies present, and that would make it a no, okay, against this antigen here. We can also look at type O blood, okay? So can type A blood donate to type O blood? So what does O blood look like? It's a big fat 0, right? It has no antigens present, or no A and B antigens present. And for that reason, it has both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. So can A positive blood donate to type O blood? It can, because this anti-A antibody is going to react with the A antigen that's present here. So can we go this way? No, we can't. So what are our yeses here? A positive blood can donate to A positive blood, and it can donate to AB positive blood. Okay, so that's kind of the way that I would take it step by step, just trying to figure out blood donor and who can receive their type of blood.